And first of all, it's more tomatoes. Starting off with a very popular variety, it's Sun Gold. I grew it last year because it is meant to be one of the best ones for flavour. And that's what we found last year. We were comparing it with a small cherry red tomato. This year I found another one that's the same colour, and it's called Golden Cherry. A Japanese bred variety. It is said to out-yield, out-flavour, and it doesn't seem to crack either, so it will be interesting to see. Now, when it comes to the planting, I have used these bags, the same bags, for several years, so they have worn really well. Lots of compost in them, so, you know, Jim was talking about using the grow bag. This is a bit more expensive, and I think with the space here, what we might do is add in a few sort of salad crops or a few herbs. Now, when it comes to the planting itself, put the strings in, and then what you do is take this out the pot. Again, lovely, healthy plants. And the string goes underneath the root system. And as the root starts to grow, that holds in the string. And then right next door to it, I plunge one of these pots, and that's what we water through. And I think that's particularly important when you're growing cucumbers, because they can rot at the neck if you get water around them. But it works well with tomatoes as well. So apart from those two varieties of tomatoes, I've also got another one I've never grown before. It's called Indigo Pear Drops. They look like little pears, and the claim to fame with these ones is that on one plant you could get as many as 600 to 1,000 fruits. So we'll have to do a little bit of counting there. Onto the cucumbers, I've got 3 varieties. This one's called Deli Star, and you know, quite a few people suffer with indigestion if they eat cucumbers. So this is the one that you might like to grow. Small cucumbers, and the skin is almost translucent, so you don't need to peel it. And the other 2 varieties, both female varieties, so in other words, you haven't got to pick off those male flowers. We've got Bangkok, which is a ribbed variety, and we've also got another one called Swing, which is a nice smooth variety. So we'll have that comparison when we have the taste test with those as well. And finally, over this side, we're growing a couple of squashes. And the system that we'll do with these, because they are climbers or trailing plants, we will put up a net. We did that last year and it worked really well. Varieties Pink Banana, and we've also got Sunshine, and I think George might have his eye on this one for salads, because I think you can grate it raw as well as cooking it.